From design and engineering to final assembly, we go inside the factory where this train is built. Before it reaches high-speed testing, every system of the HEMU-430X must be engineered, assembled, and verified inside the factory.
The industrial gantry cranes precisely lower the heavy aluminum ingots onto the inspection platforms. Industrial cutting machines cut aluminum billets into measured sections for structural forming preparation. Automated guided vehicles transport sorted aluminum stock to staging areas for the next forming process. High-pressure extrusion forms hollow aluminum profiles used for the main structural framework components.
Hydraulic forming machines bend structural aluminum profiles into required shapes for the vehicle frame.
Formed structural profiles are now prepared for precision CNC machining in the next manufacturing phase.
CNC machines shape aluminum parts into precise structural components for assembly. Multi-axis milling machines cut mounting interfaces and connection surfaces for structural assembly.
Machined components are now prepared for friction stir welding and structural joining.
FSW machines join aluminum panels using heat and pressure without melting the metal. Robotic FSW systems join aluminum extrusions into large unified structural floor sections.
The welded structure is now ready for the next stage of car body assembly.
Precision assembly jigs position the massive silver-aluminum vehicle floor structure to establish the primary geometric datum for the high-speed train car body.
Automated overhead positioning systems align the aluminum roof frame with the sidewalls to form the hollow three-dimensional train car body shell structure. Automated systems complete the aluminum car body shell structure.
Precision assembly begins as the aerodynamic nose frame is positioned on the specialized alignment jig. Laser systems scan the nose frame to verify structural alignment accuracy. The skeletal nose structure is completed and prepared for exterior skin installation.
Plasma cutting machines prepare steel plates for the Bogey frame structure. Hydraulic press machines assemble the high-speed train wheelset components.
The high-speed Bogey assemble is now mechanically complete.
The alignment is complete.
Confirmed. Secure the bolster.
Synchronized lifting systems lower the unfinished body frame onto the bogies for structural integration.
Check the clearance on the third rib.
Confirmed. The gap is within tolerance. I'll make a note.
The HEMU-430X shell becomes a rolling vehicle ready for electrical system installation.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance on the left side.
Copy that. Coming down 5 centimeters. It's aligned now.
Automated systems install the high-voltage traction cables throughout the unfinished car body structure. Wire routing is complete, and the vehicle moves toward roof equipment installation.
Roof mounting structures are prepared for high-speed current collection equipment installation.
Insulators and bus bars distribute high-voltage power across the roof electrical system.
Check the alignment at the main joint.
Reading stable. We can begin the descent now. That's tight.
Looks good. Check the next one.
Roof equipment installation is complete, and the vehicle moves to interior structural installation.
Make sure it's fully compressed in that corner. Yeah, I'm pressing it now.
Insulation and flooring systems are installed to prepare the car body for interior structures. Interior structural installation is complete, and the vehicle moves to surface treatment.
Engineers inspect the painted surface to ensure coating thickness, surface quality, and structural protection meet high-speed rail standards. After coding and inspection, the train moves forward to the next stage of testing and system integration. The prototype undergoes static power-up to verify electrical systems and onboard computers. Laser alignment tools ensure structural precision before dynamic testing begins. Engineers monitor system data to confirm stable operation across all onboard subsystems. From factory assembly to high-speed testing, the HEMU-430X represents a major step in modern rail engineering. NextGen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.